Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. My name is William Juma. In this video, I wanted to talk about Genesis. And Genesis is a starter kit for Livewire, just like Breeze and Jetstream. In this episode, I just want us to look at how to install Genesis and be able to see how it looks like. So let us go ahead and look at it. Of course, it is built upon Tailwind CSS, Alpine JS, Laravel, Livewire, Folio, and Vault. So the installation, we can be able to run this command that we have here. And of course, this page that I'm at, you can just search DevDojo Genesis and you'll be able to get a GitHub link to this page. So let me go ahead and paste in a new Laravel 10 installation. So I'm going to just paste this to install the package. Our package is fully installed. I have connected my application to the database, but I would like to just have the change of the database name here. So I'm just going to call it Genesis and save. And this is in the env. I just change the database to Genesis. After that, I want to go ahead and run the migration, php artisan migrate. And of course, it says the database does not exist. Would you like to create it? I'm going to type in Y for yes. And our database has been migrated. So let us go ahead and see how this application now looks like. So I want us to visit localhost 8000. And so this is what we have. Of course, our page has not changed yet, but we will continue with the installation. So let us go back to our page. I want us to run this command php artisan UI Genesis. I will hit enter and it has installed the starter kit successfully. I will also need to do npm install. And then after that, I will be able to do npm run dev. But this one will take a little bit of a while. Let me just wait for it to finish. After that, we are going to run npm run dev to compile our assets. And now I want us to refresh again and check, because initially we received the page looking like this. In other words, there were no changes. But now I want us to refresh and we see what we have here. And voila, we have the Genesis application, in this case the starter kit. So it comes with this splash page, and then of course we can be able to log in, we can be able to sign up, and so on and so forth. So let me just click on about. So the page looks like this, and obviously it just tells you what has been able to be used to cook this starter kit. And then of course we have power apps. And here we have an example of a blog right away, and it is installed. You can be able to check it out. After that, I want us to just toggle between the light and dark mode. Let me go back to the home page. So if there is a bulb here, something that looks like a bulb, if we click it, we move from dark to light, and there is even some kind of a sound with it. How nice. I want us to attempt and sign up. So I'm going to create an account here. I will have my name, William, and then email address, william@example.com. And I will repeat the password. Then I'm going to register. And once I do that, as you can see, we have a nice dashboard here. And when we click on the end here where we have the name, we can be able to click on edit profile. And as it opens, you can see that it looks pretty much like Breeze. I think Breeze looks like this. Somehow most likely like Breeze. You can be able to have your profile information. You can update it, change your name, change your email. You can also change your password, input the current password, the new password, and confirm it. And of course, ultimately, you can be able to go ahead and delete the account. So basically that is what we have here. I want us to log out. We are logged out. If we click login, we get an error. I just want us to refresh. And now we are having these lines, so line 50, line 51, and I think it's a good thing that we have been able to look at it, to have this such that we can be able to clear it. If we want to clear whatever it is that we have there, we can be able to just clear the views as illustrated down here. So let me just scroll down. Yes, PHP artisan view clear. And that you clear our views. So in this case, I just want to go to, yes, here we can be able to do PHP artisan view clear. And once I run that, then the issues that we are having of having the lines being represented here are now cleared. So basically you have a nice form like that. You can also be able to check the forgot password. Now you can put your email address here and you will send a reset link. So basically that is about this package. But obviously I want us to just maybe go inside and be able to check some of the things. So obviously we know if we are working with Livewire, we can be able to check for changes in two places. So I want us to check up HTTP. On this side, you can see we have nothing. So those ones are being loaded from the package. So we do not have Livewire classes there. But if we go to resources and we go to views, now you can see we have components. And since our application was a new one, this component has been created by the package. This Livewire also has been created by the package. And we also have pages. That means we are having Vault involved. And then we have the vendor folder. So basically, those are the ones that we have here. And if we look at components, we have the layouts. We have several layouts. We have marketing. And then we have main.blade and we have app.blade. So those ones are the layouts that are found here. And then we also have under components, we have the user interface. So in this case, we have various components. We have header.blade, and under marketing, we also have other components here. So we have a placeholder, logo. If you want to change the logo, you can be able to just change it here and it will be able to change everywhere in your application, just one place to do it. So basically that is that. And I want us to just look at the Livewire classes. And inside here we have the toast. So this one is a Livewire component. And then inside pages, I think this is where we have everything. And that means we have actually involved Vault and Folio, because Vault and Folio are the ones that usually have this kind of files. So we can be able to click on login. And so this is how our login is. In one of the episodes when I was talking about Livewire, we looked at how to be able to use Vault and Folio. So basically, I think the way this one looks is very familiar to what we did talk about. So you can be able to just go ahead and just look at how everything is inside this starter kit. And I believe it can be able to give you better insight on how to work with Livewire applications and Vault and all that. Thank you very much for following this tutorial video up until this point. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and you can also comment and share. Thank you.